Alright, Assembly Dojo. Technique 29, right or left. Set the arrow left or right with 50-50 probability. When making games, sometimes you need something to happen randomly. There is nothing to lose by learning all the different ways to create randomness. In addition to using time to create randomness, you can also use areas. You can set an area to appear in the area, right? Let's say that the entire state is our area. Now I'm into half of that area. For example, the right half. Well, where are the odds that the object will appear that half? It will appear that half the time, so the probability will be 50-50. So you can create randomness using time on areas, depending on the situation or preference. Using areas for randomness can take away some of the precision for setting a specific probability, but you don't always need precision.